The BCI extension identifies a NaviComputer custom map file containing calibrated raster map data for GPS navigation on mobile devices. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you create, use, or troubleshoot these mobile navigation map files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure BCI formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. BCI files are custom raster map files for NaviComputer, a mobile GPS navigation application. They contain calibrated map imagery with georeferencing data, linking pixel coordinates to geographic positions for offline navigation on smartphones and tablets during outdoor activities. NaviComputer BCI files use a proprietary format, storing tiled raster map imagery with calibration reference points, datum, and projection information. They enable offline GPS navigation by displaying the user's position on calibrated topographic or custom map images. The recommended application from AM Mobile for handling BCI is unequivocally NaviComputer. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows offers little insight into mobile file structures, so proper handling requires compatible software. Open the context menu by right-clicking the BCI file and selecting Open With. Start your test with NaviComputer if it shows up. If not, don't hesitate to try several other programs on your list. If you cannot access the BCI file, no problem. The failure of the file is predictable. Here are the most common technical reasons this specific BCI error occurs on most Windows systems. First, loading maps. Install NaviComputer on your mobile device and import the BCI map file through the application's map management interface. The calibrated map appears in the map selection list, ready for offline GPS navigation with real-time position tracking overlay. Next, creating custom maps. Use NaviComputer's map calibration tools to create BCI files from scanned maps or downloaded imagery. Define calibration points by matching known geographic coordinates to pixel positions on the map image. Save the calibrated result as a BCI file for field use. Finally, using for navigation. Load your BCI map in NaviComputer and enable GPS tracking. Your real-time position appears on the calibrated map. Record GPS tracks, create waypoints, and navigate routes overlaid on the custom map imagery for hiking, cycling, or off-road exploration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.